He's young and has a good flow. Could Cube be the next big thing?
I just got on time when the rain don't fall, sun still have to shine.
Intense on the search, next big thing in the music, next big thing in dancehall. And right now, the man will say the time is what? The time is now. Oh,
right,
Cube.
Right now.
Father. What about man?
I saw we do it, you know. Yeah.
New style, new thing that dancehall.
New style, pan a time in everything new, everything fresh, man, believe.
Yo, Cube, so talk to right now. For all who don't know, just want to know the story, the journey, like music, where you start off.
Just like almost every young artist, you know, some start off in a church, some start off in a school. But I say I start off both ways, both in a church and school. In a school, I really discover say I could create music. I normally DJ other people music in class, and I like classmate them whole of vibes. It's an assignment I get when me in a grade 6. The teacher say either we do a skit or we make a song about drugs. So me decide to make a song, and that was how I know I could create music. But it was not until 2018 before I put out my first official single, Food Hunting. That is when my journey really started officially.
For the fast life, man, never take a wrong road. Me I build this from a grassroots.
The name Cube, they spell it in a different way. Like you say the QBE, and you know Cube, the four corners. So talk to right about that.
Say name Cube forward. And one day, I on my veranda at high school, I think a grade 7 I didn't even nobody give me that name.
High school though?
St. Catherine High School. Yeah man, big up St. Catherine High School. Pan a time in my high school at. Yeah. So I wonder when I go call myself. At the time, I usually love watch Ice Cube movie. Big woman thing, you see me? Yeah, I usually love watch Ice Cube movie. So I say, probably that's why the name that pop up in a made, you know, Cube. You see me? So I say, you know, I go call myself Cube, but guess what? I QBE, I used to spell it first, you know. But one of my classmates, when he named Dunga, the dog say, yo, Cube, why can't I just take off the CU and put Q? I say, you know, I say that bad, that me I work with. So I saw the Cube forward, QBE, but the pan time in forward now from out of my place, Waterloo, Spanish Town, which part I live. You see me? My dog them round me always I say pana timing. So me now as the artist in the place, we just pick up the style. Plus it bad, so I decide to run with it. You see me?
Pana timing boss.
Yeah, pana timing boss, yeah. And then so everybody start calling me the pana timing boss. You see me?
So talk to me right now, in your community of Waterloo and Grav Lights all in place and all the surrounding.
Yeah.
Like, what was the song though where you dropped first and people say, yeah, Cube, I want to look out for?
Alright, you know, say me have a song when named The Prof. And the Rara rhythm produced by Conquer the Globe and Sheldon Kane Music.
We hustle hard so we money enough. Vibes right, y'all, they are enough.
Yeah, that was the song that really make people say, yeah, started to take me serious. Say.
Motivate you at the same time.
Yeah,
push
man,
more.
yeah, and motivated me at the same time to push more, you know?
What kind of role you plan to play in a dancehall right now, Faye? Left your name, like Cube, be one of the dominant force in the dancehall.
Yeah, man, that I want to aim to, man, for definitely run a place.
So the song right now, where you're running right now, talk about that. Right now.
I have a song right now when I run with on the Jota rhythm, when named Kylo. And the people them can go check out that one because that one they hot.
Yo, Din.
You know, say Kylo was just in a studio with the live. Because me is a youth, I love go live and interact with the people, you know. Some of the live, I'm just all the vibes are DJ. And my cousin just start play the Jota rhythm, you see me? So I just a DJ, and after I done the live, the dog say, yo, you know, say, big up N Shop. The dog say, yo, cuz, watch them video. And the dog show me some video. I say, you know, say them video bad, dog. And I just post one. I just post one on TikTok. That are the Kylo. You see me? And it just go viral. You see me? And Din see it, and him reach out, and him send the official rhythm. And that was it. That was how Kylo got released.
Speaking of viral though, Cube, like, we see a video over there. We don't know how really go on still, but boy, on a brave sir. We don't really talk about it much, you know, but we see a gas pump video with Alexis and you're a female, like, bro, what going? It was a music video, a video shoot, what really going?
Well, at the moment, I was just getting some gas in the Lexus. You get what me I say? Yeah, we were shooting a video, but that wasn't a part of the scene. That was something that happened unexpectedly. You see me?
So what the feedback from your fans on the family now after they see the video now? And management, because when the management a ball and I say, yo, what is?
To be honest, yeah, management ball for a while, but how long can he be mad for? You get what me I say, cause it do more good for my career more than bad.
So talk about the good right now, what the good?
Yeah. See, you know, say people right after that video went viral and the gas pump, me just go in the studio right after, me see it go viral and me see everybody post it. Me just go in the studio and me just do a song. And now change say, yo, we are shot a video same time. So right after me do this song, we just go shot a video. And we just drop it like, I think like 1 or 2 days after your father didn't even waste no time.
So what do you say that since the video release, like there's a lot of traction towards your career?
Yeah, man.
Like good traction though?
Yeah, good traction. More people are tuning in. Cause remember, you know, I don't like say, I go viral, I do not where I'm not supposed to do.
But at the location though?
You see me, but...
So,
yeah,
what we
so,
try to get in the cube though? Because most people, watch it, we see comments. People say, what do you call it now, a prank. And who say, yo, it's a stunt there. Was it a stunt or was it a realistic thing?
When you just go watch back the video and just put in the thoughts under the comment for the people to figure it out.
Talk to no Cube. What makes Cube intense?
My mind. The way I see life.
So Cube, for all the young upcoming artists right now, or even artists right now who are out there, where maybe a struggle to actually find a song or find a wave, like, you get me I say?
Yeah.
Any words of encouragement?
Yeah, man, just keep working, believe in yourself, put God first. Yeah.
Well, the man said everything upon a timing, and the one Cube, you check him out. New over dancehall, we call it hardcore trap.
Hardcore trap.
Cube, respect for Australia, you see it?
Believe.
See it? You see him
Remember
first.
someone.
What you say, go?
So.
That's a new style or anything.
Yeah,
That come be a new style, be a new wave. Just check him
Be a
out.
new style, pan a timing.
One Cube.